In the quaint town of Frosthaven, the winters were long and fierce, but the residents took pride in their ability to endure the cold. Among them was Elsie, a spirited young girl with a remarkable gift. From the moment she was born, Elsie possessed the power to control ice and snow, a talent that both fascinated and intimidated the townspeople. Her parents, though loving and supportive, worried about how her abilities might isolate her from others. As Elsie grew, she found joy in exploring her powers, shaping delicate ice sculptures with a flick of her wrist and creating dazzling snowflakes that danced in the air. However, she often felt like an outsider, her gift setting her apart from her peers. Determined to change how she was perceived, Elsie decided to use her abilities to benefit her community. One winter evening, a fierce blizzard descended upon Frosthaven, threatening to cut off the town's supply routes and isolate its residents. The townspeople were anxious, fearing that the relentless snow would block their paths and trap them in their homes. Seeing their distress, Elsie knew she had to act. With a deep breath and renewed determination, Elsie stepped out into the snowstorm. As she raised her hands to the sky, the swirling snow began to bend to her will. She skillfully crafted paths through the snow, allowing vital supplies to be delivered and reconnecting the residents with the outside world. The townspeople watched in awe as she worked tirelessly, her icy powers no longer a source of fear, but a beacon of hope. As the storm subsided, the people of Frosthaven gathered to thank Elsie for her courage and generosity. It was in that moment that Elsie realized her power was not simply a burden to bear, but a gift to be shared. The townspeople's perception of her had shifted. She was no longer just the girl with the icy touch, but a beloved hero who had saved her town. Embracing her newfound acceptance, Elsie continued to use her powers to help others, forging a new understanding between herself and those around her. Her story became an enduring legend in Frosthaven, a testament to the strength and beauty that could be found in embracing one's unique gifts.